In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to clear system data storage and cache on a Windows PC. Let's get started. First, launch your settings, navigate to the options system. Now head over to the option storage. Here you're going to find the option of storage sense. Enable for this option, a built-in Windows tool that automatically clears temporary files. Now head back, click on this option, cleanup recommendations, launch it. Here you're going to find this option, see advanced options, click on that. Scroll until you find temporary files, select it and then click clean or remove files. This will delete all temporary data, freeing up valuable storage space and helping your system run smoother. Now let's jump into the second method. Close this, search for disk, cleanup. After it appears, launch it. Now click on this drop down and select your C drive when prompted. After it loads, you'll see a list of file types. Check the boxes next to temporary files and any other unnecessary data you want to remove. Then click on OK and confirm to delete the selected files. This will remove cache data and clear up more space on your PC. Finally, after completing both steps, restart your computer to finish the cleanup process. This ensures all temporary files are cleared and your system runs efficiently. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.